Hi, today I have a very cool padlock for you guys. It's an MAKO model number 427, I think. It's a pretty interesting lock, padlock, ball bearings, and this one was sent to me by Cameron Don. Cameron, thank you very much for sending it to me. It's a pretty awesome lock. Here's the beading. It's a 6-pin lock, and on this side is MAKO, on this side is code number. This is useful for the locksmiths, but not for, from a security perspective, not that useful. So yeah, it's very similar to American lock, probably 1100, but it's pretty heavy. I did not expect the heaviness. The American locks, they are a bit lighter, and I will use the forest diamond. This pick was sent to me by Cameron Don, and it's made by Truckmaster 1330. It's a pretty nice pick, and the forest diamond, of course. I love the forest diamond. So yeah, let's start picking this lock. I will try to like manage so you can see. So one, it's binding, couple of clicks on one, two, couple of clicks, three, couple of clicks, four, couple of clicks. Like everything seems like serrated. And now I think I'm on pin 5. Pin 5 won't, it's like stuck. I think I dropped everything else. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is like pretty stuck pin. Yeah, I need to reset it. Something is, it was like strangely happening with pin number 5. Again, 1, multiple clicks, but I'm not sure that I set pin number 1 properly. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 click. Now it's a 6. Yeah, hey, it's open. Come on. Yeah, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Interesting pick, but I don't know, the first time the pin number 5 is, it was not going anywhere, and you can see that pin 5 is needs to be pretty short one. So I know what happened. Probably I somehow, I don't know, yeah, it was strange, but yeah, now the lock is picked. So come on, yeah, here it is. Oh, there is a protection from for, and there are 2. Good for them. The American locks did not have that for how it's called, I forgot, when you push like push inside and try to shim, not shim, I forgot the name, how it's called. So it's protected by that. That's good. The old American locks, they do not have this plate for protecting the core, the lock. So I need to have the key. So that's good. Needs to be like this. Yes. So small follower. Where is here it is. Yes, good. Let's move the C-clip there. This needs to be here. All 6 chambers are populated, so that's good. That's awesome. I dropped 2 pins. I think the shorter one is yeah, it's pin 1, pin 2, it's a short pin. 3, no, it's like this, short, long, 1, 2, yeah. Oh, every pin is serrated except the shorter one, 1 and 5. So that's good. That's good from them to put serrated pin like American locks. Yeah, it's a standard plug. Yeah, this side is the front side, so I felt serrated for I think every pin. First is serrated, second one serrated, yes, third one spool. Oh, I did not feel the third one. It's a spool. 4 serrated, 5, it's a spool, and the 6th one, it's a standard. Oh, so no fluffiness in the core. That's pretty good, pretty interesting lock. I did not expect this lock to be that good. So yeah, here's a close-up. So 1, 2 and 4 they're serrated drivers, and 3 and 5 they're spools. 6 one is standard, so no fluffiness in the core. That's good. And the key pins 1 and 5 are only standard. Everything else is serrated because they're pretty short ones. Sorry for that loud noise. So yeah, that was the MAKO lock model number 427, picked and got it. So Cameron, thank you very much for sending it to me, the lock and the pick. And guys, thanks for watching. Have a nice day, have a nice picking, and bye bye.